In this video, we will show you how to easily set up an alarm on your iPhone properly so that you won't miss any of your schedules and meetings. We will also be showing you how to edit existing alarms or delete them if you don't need them anymore. So to begin, launch the clock app from the home screen. In most cases, it will show you the world clock when the app opens, so make sure to tap alarm at the bottom of the screen. To add an alarm, tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Now set the time you want your iPhone to go off. If you want to repeat the alarm a few days in a week, tap repeat, and then tap on each day you want the alarm to play. You can also edit the name of the alarm so that you can easily distinguish it from other alarms, especially if you have several of them already set up in your iPhone. You may also choose an alarm sound that will play when the time comes. Just tap sound and then select the audio that you like. Once you're done setting it up, tap Save at the top right corner. If you want to edit an existing alarm, just launch the clock app and tap the alarm you want to edit. Make some changes and then tap Save at the top. However, if you want to remove an alarm, tap Delete Alarm at the bottom instead. It will immediately remove the alarm from the clock app. And that's how you set up, edit, and delete an alarm on your iPhone. We hope that this guide can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.